Hi, my name is Lee Mai Sin, and now I'm going to start my assignment presentation. 3 research papers regarding software engineering for IoT data analytics has been studied and summarized below. For the first research paper, the researchers are proposing issues about transport and mobility. T&M activities are having great consumption of energy and cause environmental and social problems. Therefore, the researchers aim to use agile optimization method and combine with the IoT data analytics to produce real-time routing plans for the T&M for optimize the energy consumption. Then, the researchers of second research paper are motivated by the current situation where IoT with big data are becoming more and more smarter. And they found out that there is an increasing and a need for integration and license between SE model and AI model. Therefore, they aim to propose research on SE model with features of artificial intelligence or machine learning for IoT data analytics. Lastly, for the third paper, the researchers said that there is limited research exists on how IoT data analytics applications are developed in the context of SE life cycle. Therefore, the researchers aim to develop a framework that could apply SE process to engineer IoT DA application. For the methodology used in the first paper, a case study to maximize the waste collected by each waste collector within time constraint and prioritization of full containers is used. The researchers had proposed 2 approaches. First, static algorithm approach is used. This algorithm only considers current traffic state and routes remain unchanged for the rest of the time. Second, agile approach is used. It allows replanning procedure to recalculate the optimal route according to the time-to-time different updated traffic data. Next, second researchers mentioning of using MDE approach for both analytics modeling with machine learning features and software modeling. DSML dynamic specific modeling language is chosen. However, in order to enhance IoT data analytics performance, DSML is enhanced with AI or machine learning becoming SSM. The formula of SSM is given below, where DM stands for the sequence of machine learning features with data analytics. Lastly, the researchers developed a process-centric software engineering development framework to develop an IoT DA application. The process-centric involving using incremental approach to support the SE process of the system. This diagram is the process-centric framework. The sub-process and the activity here can be interpreted specific to the IoT-driven system.
Hi, my name is Hui, matrix number 66388. Now I present discussion. This table shows the result of 3 methodology. In first research paper, the results show that the dynamic agile approach outperformed the static approach because of its ability to easily adapt to any situation. In second paper, compared to traditional DSML MDSE software model, in which only has the static model to code transformation function, SSM is able to train and enhance itself accordingly to the data analytics. It will then extend its model to code transformation based on the latest data. Let's compare to traditional SDLC, the process-centric framework, which leads heavily toward classifying, analyzing, and interpreting process, the sub-process and underlying activity that enable engineering of data analytics from IoT could provide them better guideline when work in a high-level complexity project. From all of the findings mentioned on the table, it can be seen that in the first and second paper, the research using agile and artificial intelligence or machine learning enhanced MDSE respectively could adapt to the external factor and provide full flexibility to the solution. This will be an advantage to the future IoT of data analytics due to the dynamicity of IoT with the big data. Although their research in the paper do not involve dynamicity, but their proposed approach of process-centric framework that focus heavily on process, sub-process, and activity could play a big role while working on a high-complexity project. It could reduce the risk of project failure incident during development phase when using process-centric framework in the development. In conclusion, 3 research papers have discussed 3 different methodologies, which are Agile Optimization, Artificial Intelligence or Machine Learning Enhanced MDASE, and Process-Centric Development Framework. All of the approaches serve their own purpose, and these 3 methodologies combined with IoT data analysis model will get more efficient functions. That's all. Thank you.